Chapter 14 Vowels E, E, E. List of words: hit, had, had, feel, fell, sit, said, sat, beat, pit, pat, pit, pit, pat, seal, sail, sal, read, read, rat, pick, pick, pack, bin, bin, ban, kin, kin, can. Some sentences for practice. First, many gentlemen went together to settle here. Second, I intend to present a better bed. Third, my friend sent letters to Betty yesterday. Fourth, Illinois seals let me lend a penny. Fifth, 7 guests were present to welcome them. 6. Herons never rest before getting to their nest. 7. Ben gets 10 pencils from his pen friend.